out there? My name is Caitt and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be taking it back to like 2012 YouTube. I don't really know what year exactly it was, but there was a year, probably a few years, where everyone would wrap rubber bands around watermelons and they would kind of explode. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to get this started because last time I did this twice before, and it took me like 2 hours to do. Oh no. I wanted to make sure that I got a watermelon that was small enough. Also, I've done this before. I know how hard it is. I know how long it takes. It takes like 2 hours. But it's worth it. There's one down. Also, it took 2 hours with 2 people. Last time I did this, as soon as it exploded, me and my friend just like silently went and picked up a piece of watermelon and started eating it. Just silently. I think we stayed silent for like 5 minutes just eating this watermelon. Like it was like, as soon as it exploded, it was like, whoa, cool, and then we just ate watermelon. So it was really awesome. Before I mentioned that I did this twice before. I did it once with the watermelon and once with a pumpkin. The pumpkin you can't eat, obviously. I think the watermelon was definitely more exciting, but the pumpkin kind of like sliced right in half. I think I had pictures, so I'll like insert those on the screen, but that was in like 2017. So I haven't done this in a while. Now that it's like snapped on me a few times, I remember that these rubber bands, first of all, they dry out your hands, they make your hands all red. I think I've had like cuts on my hand, not like real cuts, but like, you know what I mean. Not like anything bad, just when a rubber band snaps on you and it like snaps the skin. Like I said, this is probably going to take me 2 hours, so I am going to be doing some time lapses, turning the camera off for a little bit.
Go, I really love you. I don't really.
Taking 2 at a time.
Me and by you. Gotta let you go, don't really want to. Gotta let you go, I really love you. I don't really want, no. I don't really want, and me and by you. Gotta let you go. Cause every single day I wanna play myself. I'm with you when you're sleeping, you're with someone else. And every single day you see my colors fade. I'm just a picture that you haven't thrown away. And I can feel the pain when you see it in my face. And you can close the door, but it won't change a thing. And every single day you see my colors fade. I'm just a picture that you haven't thrown away.
I already have some cuts on my hand, a few of them have snapped on me, a few of them are snapping on the watermelon just because there's so much pressure there. It hasn't started to like dent, it dents in the middle. Like what it's doing, what the rubber bands are doing, is it's putting pressure on the center of the watermelon so that the insides like dent in, and then when it does explode, it kind of like cuts in half. So like the rubber bands all kind of like I don't know the word for it, but the rubber bands all kind of like, because they're under so much like pressure being stretched, eventually they'll just like, when there's enough pressure and enough of them. So I just have to, ow! Snapping on my leg, my hand. Hasn't started to dent yet, hasn't started to crack. I think we still got a while left to go. Ah! Ah! Both of them. Great.
I said the same. I'm in my bedroom, you're on a plane. You said I love you.
So it has officially been an hour. I just want to show you my hands. I don't know how well it reads on camera, but I have like, it like split open the skin, but it didn't start to bleed except for right there. And then the inside of my wrist. These are all from the rubber bands snapping on me. And then I have a few on my legs too, but they're not as visible. I don't even know if you can see that one. I want to give you a little update though. So the watermelon is officially dented. I don't know if you can really see that on camera, but you can kind of see it like over, you can't even see my finger, there it is. Right there, it's dented in. And then right there you can like really see it. I've also just been using one rubber band for the past like 15 minutes after I like split my finger open, instead of the two that I was starting out with, because when I put two on, it started to like snap more. And if you look at the watermelon, you can see all of these little pieces that have snapped off since putting them on. So I've just been using one. It's taking a little bit longer, but I think we're getting there. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but once this thing like explodes, you get a really awesome rubber band ball. The last time I did this, it started like leaking first. Like there would be a crack and then it would start leaking watermelon juice. So, I don't know, man. Alright, so on my phone right now, there is a crack in the top and it is starting to leak.
I love you. I don't really want, no. I don't really want anyone but you.
Alright, so there's another crack right down here. Alright, so there's another crack down here. As you can see, it is starting. I hope that got that. So I probably shouldn't have stayed that close. I'm covered in watermelon right now. That was so cool. Usually I back up before it explodes. I didn't have time and I wanted to get a slow-mo on my phone, which I hope it recorded. If it didn't, I'm gonna be so mad. I hope you could see it on here too. I hope it wasn't too close of an angle, but that was awesome. I'm covered in watermelon. There's watermelon everywhere. And this is what you get from that. A giant rubber band ball with some watermelon in the center, of course, but it is so cool. That was so awesome. I feel like this video was probably pretty boring up until that point. There's watermelon literally everywhere. I am very happy I did this video. Very happy I blew up a watermelon again, even though my hands hurt. but that was so cool. Okay, I'm gonna take you over there. All right, so there's some more rubber bands right there. And there's watermelon all over the place. More watermelon, more pieces. There's the, I think that's the top of it. I don't know if that's the top or the bottom. Yeah, no wait, it's the top. It's definitely the top. And there's some more watermelon. There's some more over there. It didn't get on my phone because I was recording, luckily. And this is the bottom, I believe. Yeah, this is the bottom. Not even gonna try to sit down right now because I'm gonna be sitting on watermelon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed as much as I'm gonna enjoy eating this watermelon over here. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload. Check out my Society 64. It is linked down below. And I will taco with my mouth full. I will see you in 2 weeks with another new video. Bye. You can totally tell that I didn't aim at the camera. I totally forgot to take a thumbnail. And I just bit into this. So, here we go.
You gotta let you go to really